Hello guys, welcome to another of our video tutorial, and today we'll be discussing extensively how you can install some of the modules we are going to be using in the course of this writing of Python programs. Okay, so today we'll be discussing about the installation of Pandas. I'm sure you must have heard about Pandas. Is one of the modules that you can use in PyDroid 3. Okay, so first of all, you have to open your PyDroid 3 app, just like I have done like now. Okay, so after that, you go to the top left corner and click on these three horizontal lines and go straight to pip. Select your pip. Okay, so here you can install whatsoever module you can install. Okay, because I have installed the repository plugin, I can install any other module available. Okay, so for me to do that, I can quickly go to quick install. Okay, so here are the available modules. Okay, so since I'm going for Pandas, I will just scroll down to Pandas and click on that. All right, so currently I am installing Pandas. All right, as you can see, it's detailing how the installation is going down. All right, so after the installation, I'm sure there will be a sign. You can see complete. Okay, so I am done installing Pandas right now, which means I can make use of it. So you go back, and here, if you want to know if you have Pandas installed, you can import, all right, Pandas as PD. All right, so I'm going to be teaching you in the next class. I don't want to confuse you right now. I want you to get acquainted with how you can install Pandas. Then in the next class, we'll complete this code. All right, see you in our next class. Take care.